how to enable or disable SmartThings notification on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Connected Devices. So you will see Connected Devices here. So click on Connected Devices. Now here, so click on SmartThings. So after click on SmartThings, click on Menu. So after click on Menu, scroll down and click on Settings icon. So after click on Settings icon and click, you will see notification is here. So if you want to disable or enable SmartThing notification. So if you want to disable notification, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see notification is disabled. So if you want to enable notification, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see SmartThing notification is enabled. So you will enable or disable SmartThing notification from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable SmartThing notifications on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.